here I have DOOGEE S80, and today I'm going to show you how to remove SIM lock, SIM pin code from the SIM card on this device. So to do this, firstly let's open settings, then go to the security and location section, and then to the SIM card lock. And here just tap on this slider to disable your SIM lock. Then you have to enter your pin code, tap OK, and after that SIM will be unlocked. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.